and even our employees of the company. So thank you very much, Farhan. I'd like you to say a few words.
Thank you, Kabir. Hi, everyone. It really is an exciting time for me. You know, I think back to a couple of years ago, and I must tell you that a lot of my friends and people who I work with would always, make fun of me. तुम कहीं भी जब जाते हो तो अपने वही kids और jeans पहन के पहुंच जाते हो. So this is a great step up for me in terms of personal style. So I'm very thankful to be part of the Code by Lifestyle team and to be the face of Code by Lifestyle for other people. Hopefully we'll be going from strength to strength with every passing year. And I look forward to this association growing. And of course, I've enjoyed wearing the clothes in the few images that were shown to you in the AV. There was a lot, unfortunately, that could not be worn because we ran out of time. But I really did have a great time and felt great wearing those clothes. So thank you very, very much.
Thank you so much. I would request you both to please open for the question and answer. You can raise your hand and there'll be a concerned person with the mayor. Thank you.
Hi, Farhan. Hello. Hi, Farhan. Alok here from OFM.
Yeah, hi, Alok.
मेरा सवाल है कि आपके घर में वालिद साहब की भी एक स्टाइल है कपड़ों की, आपकी मोहतरमा है उनकी भी एक स्टाइल है, तो इन स्टाइल्स को देख करके और खुद की स्टाइल को देख करके क्या सोचते हैं आप?
अब तक तो जब उन्हें देखता था तो सोचता था कि मुझे इम्प्रूव करने की जरूरत है, मगर होपफुली नाउ दे कैन लुक एट मी एंड फील दैट वे. सो दैट्स बेसिकली.
और आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिलते रहे होंगे, कभी भी आप फंक्शन में जाते हैं, रेड कार्पेट पे जाते हैं तो पूछा जाता है कि आप आज के दिन किसको पहन रहे हैं या क्या आपका स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है, क्या रिएक्शन होता है, क्या कहते हैं आप इन शब्दों पे?
मतलब मैं वही कहता हूँ जो मैं पहन रहा हूँ. दैट्स यूजुअली व्हाट आई आंसर. जहाँ तक मेरे फैशन का या स्टाइल का सेंस है, इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी आई शुड admit that Oduna has a very huge role, to play in it. That truly is a sense that I had of what I should wear and what my hair should be like. Things like this before Oduna was in my life and then after. And a certain degree of importance. I think first appearances, first impressions are important. And there's a certain realization that I've had over time about that. And I think this is an extension, of that, because I truly feel that these are very comfortable, at the same time very cool clothes that anyone can wear. And there's a great range on offer by Code for Lifestyle, so you can really get a lot to choose from. So for me, it's an extension of this kind of new enjoyment, that I'm having, exploring this new side of my personality.
But Farhan, my question to you is like today a leading tabloid printed that Abhishek Kapoor has went to High Court for Rock On 2. So what is your take on that?
Well, my take is really not that important. The court's take will be important.
But people are just eagerly waiting for you to clarify.
I would request everyone to please stick to the event, the questions related just to the event today,
Hello.
please. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Farhan. Aryaman Raj. A man's personal style is more based on what he has seen throughout his life, and then he emulates it further by a little bit of grooming. Being the brand ambassador, how important do you feel is personal hygiene and the overall look of a man in today's lifetime?
Well, a personal hygiene is very different from personal dressing style. Yeah, but I mean, hygiene, of course, is tremendously important. Yeah. Right. No, in all honesty, I would not consider someone who has a beard unhygienic. I think that's just a look. But the fact is that, yeah, you're absolutely right that your experiences eventually add up to everything that you do. Every single decision that you make are taken based upon your experiences and with a certain percentage or a degree of experimentation or of bravado, if you want to call it that. So similarly, there's a certain comfort that you have to feel in everything that you do, be it in your work, be it in what you wear, be it in the company that you keep. So that's very important. So unless you don't have that feeling from inside, it's very difficult to be honest or to look comfortable doing any of it. So like I was answering his question earlier, Alok's question earlier, Like, I really feel that over the last couple of years, I have started feeling comfortable, dressing like this. I've started feeling comfortable wanting to wear clothes like this. And I think that's again an extension of what I'm feeling now. So I'm really glad that this association for me personally has happened at a time where I'm really feeling positive about this.